Hello everyone. Today's video is one of my most requested video. A question that I have been asked many times, which is how did I lose weight postpartum, or how did I lose 50 pounds not once, not twice, but 3 times. Yes, that is correct, 3 times. So let's begin the video. But if you are new to my channel, my name is Nausheen. Do subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video, and welcome to Nausheen's World. Before we begin the video, I want to tell you guys that one, I am going to be very realistic in this video. I'm not going to tell you that if you do this magic trick, or if you do this magic diet, or a low carb diet, or a low calorie diet, you're going to lose all your weight very quickly. I did not do that. I do not believe on it, and I do not recommend it. So I'm going to go with the timeline of postpartum, being very realistic, because postpartum is anyways a very stressful time. Number two, I've made some notes here so I can look at them so that I do not miss anything that I want to share with you guys. So now a little bit about my pregnancies. I am a mother of 3 kids. For all 3 of my pregnancies, I had gained about 45 to 50 pounds. My pregnancies were bad and they kept getting worse each time. I had morning sickness that lasted all day for 9 months. Postpartum, once I delivered the baby, once anybody delivers a baby, it is a very stressful time. You have to take care of the baby, of yourself, of the other kids if you have any, of the house, etc. So where my first tip comes in, which is focus on recovering. So at this time, I know when I came home, I weighed myself and I was like, oh my goodness, I just lost 7 pounds, that's it. But then I had to tell myself that I took 9 months to gain so much weight, and I'm not going to lose all the weight in just one day, right? I have to give myself time. So I had to tell myself this. So first tip is focus on recovering and give yourself time. Now where comes the tip number 2. How do you recover? Well, for recovery, I recommend, and this is what I did, was I would eat a lot. I would eat literally all day, even if it was small meals or snacks. I kept eating because I was already so tired. I was sleep deprived because I was awake with the baby at night, and I was awake in the daytime with my other kids. So it was so hard for me. I was literally like a zombie. So one thing that would keep me going was eating. So I would eat a lot. 2, drinking lots of water. You need water anyway, especially if you're breastfeeding. Plus, to recover your muscles, to recover your body, you do need water. So focus on water and rest. So I remember when somebody used to tell me that, sleep when your baby sleeps, and I would be honestly furious. I'm like, that's not possible. I have to take care of other kids. I have to take care of the house. I have to cook so we can eat. So that was not going to happen. So then my recommendation would be pick one of the baby's nap times, just one, that you can rest, you can sleep. Even if you can't sleep, if you're like me and you can't easily fall asleep, just keep your eyes closed and rest. So that is your resting time. And then if you are a person who enjoys meditation, who gets relaxed by music or reading a book or something, take out 10 minutes of the time in the day and do that. So 4 things you're going to do to recover. 1 is you're going to eat very well. You will drink lots of water. You will rest when you can, and you're going to find something that relaxes you. And you will see that this will not only help you recover, but it will also help you in your postpartum weight loss journey. Moving on to postpartum 2 months. About 2 months was the time when I started feeling better, when I started feeling like I'm getting a grasp of things, I'm getting into a good routine. So now is the time when I started watching what I eat. So I would avoid junk as much as possible, and I would eat lots and lots of healthy food, which means home cooked meals and rice and bread and fruits, vegetables, nuts, yogurt, milk. Like, there's so many things, lots of protein like chicken and fish. but eat lots. I'm not saying restrict your meals or go very low calorie. No, not at all. Eat lots, but eat healthy, nutritious food and avoid junk. So that is my tip number 3: avoid junk and eat healthy, nutritious food. At some point, you will know that you want to start exercising. Now, how do you do that? When you feel you are ready, here they recommend that you wait 6 weeks before you start exercising. At 6 weeks, I was like, I cannot even think about it. I'm so tired and I'm fatigued and I'm exhausted and I can't do this. So now, at about 10 weeks, I felt like, okay, now I feel ready. Now my body is ready. Now I can do something. So what I did was very gently, I started exercising. I started some kind of physical activity. On a floor, put a mat, lay the baby over the mat, and right there, put a 15-minute timer, 10-minute timer. Start doing body weight exercises, and talk to the baby, keep the baby occupied, and bam, 10-15 minutes, you are done. That is all you need. Two, another way is, if the weather outside is nice, put the baby in the stroller and go for a walk. That is so refreshing. You get lots of fresh air. You get to see other people other than yourself and the baby and the kids, and you will walk as well. Number 3, if the weather is cold outside or for some reason you can't go outside, I recommend you get a baby sling or a baby carrier, wear the baby, and walk around the house with the baby. Do the chores with the baby on you, or put nice music, put a nice song, your favorite song, and dance to it. That I call a total win-win. Your baby is happy, you are happy, the music will boost your mood, you will be getting the physical activity done, and 10-15 minutes, you're done. So, you don't need to start by really going to the gym or taking out an hour when the baby is napping, or wake up early just to work out. No, not at all. Find short periods of times during the day when you can incorporate these little things in your routine, and your life will become so easy. Trust me. You will feel better and you will start seeing the results. At this point, you will see that the weight is coming off, and you will feel that you're feeling lighter in the body, you're feeling better, you're feeling recovered, you're feeling more energy. So that was my tip number 4, that start doing some kind of physical activity when you feel ready. Now, moving forward into postpartum, you continue this, and keep doing it, keep increasing it if you want to, like 10 minutes a day, maybe for 3 times a week, and then you increase it to 15 minutes 4 times a week. So slowly increase it, give it time, no need to rush into it. Some days, if you just can't do anything, like you didn't sleep at all last night, the baby was awake, you're tired, you have to cook, you have to do so many things in the house, you don't have to worry about it. Just the trick is to keep your mind relaxed. Don't panic about it that I didn't do anything today. Now, another point I wanted to make here is that you have to remember that every body is different. Every individual is different. Every pregnancy is different. What I'm trying to tell you is that you cannot compare yourself to anyone else. So give yourself enough time. Also, I want to tell you here is that do not rush into it, that, oh my god, it's been 9 months, I'm not losing weight, I'm going to do a crash diet and I'm going to lose the weight. So go slow. So now, moving on to, say, 6 months postpartum. Now, that is when I felt like I have recovered well, I am feeling better. That is when I thought that, okay, now my body is ready. Now is the time when I need to dial down my nutrition. Now I tried to make an exercise routine for myself. So for my eating, I would focus on lots of protein, like chicken and fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, milk, yogurt, rice, bread. I would eat everything, but in proper good portions. And for my exercise, I started working out 4 to 5 times a week. I would do 20 to 30 minutes. And honestly speaking, it wasn't a forceful workout. I would always enjoy it. So that was the routine I made since then, and I continued it, like I'm still continuing it like now I am 2 years postpartum and I'm still continuing that routine. Now that is a topic for another video because it's a very long topic. For this video, I have given you what exactly I did postpartum and how exactly I changed my body slowly postpartum. So now let's review the points. So this is what I did, this is what I recommend, but do tell me in the comments below if you are pregnant, if you are trying to lose weight postpartum, if this video helped you. Also, that for my upcoming videos I will be talking about how I exercise, what is my exercise routine, how I manage to stay active with the kids at home 24/7. So how I do that, what I eat in a day, and so on. So do subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell icon so as soon as the video comes out you would find out. And thank you for joining me. I'll see you later. Bye.